Hi guys, welcome to my another video. If you are an international student looking to pursue your study in Malaysia, the Malaysian International Scholarship MIS could be the scholarship for you. First of all, we will introduce you to the MIS and its eligible criteria, which include being a citizen of friendly country to the Malaysia. Next, we will walk you through the online application system, which requires you to register for an account, fill in your personal and academic information, and upload supporting documents such as your academic transcript, certificates, and English proficiency test results. We will also provide tips on how to craft a strong research proposal and personal statement that align with your academic and career goals. Additionally, we will highlight some common mistakes and provide during the application process. Finally, we will provide you with the additional resource to help you successful in your application, such as sample of research proposals. Now let's start the video how to apply on MIS scholarship. I add this link in a description below. When you click on this link, you see set type of interface. This is the official website of the MIS scholarship. Malaysian International Scholarship. The call for application for the academic year 2023 to 24 will be open from 17th of the April 2023 until the 18th of the May 2023. You click here the MIS online application system. You can click here and download the application process. Now we click here and see set type of documents. The guidelines for the application of Malaysian Technical Corporation Program Scholarship 2022-23. These are the guidelines on how to apply. All the documents below the compulsory and the upload via online application system and scan and save in a PDF format. Second thing is that application form. First of all, you fill the application form online. Then the latest admission offer from Malaysian University for academic intake 2022-23. The list of the university are given below. If you don't have a admission letter of the Malaysian University, you don't need to be worried. You can apply. Letter of recommendation, letter of the two referees, a certificate, copy of the academic transcript, record of all courses taken throughout the degree program. Submit the transcript of undergraduate study. Applicant must submit an official document issued by the applicant, your degree or the certificates. The other thing is curriculum vitae, a certificate copy of English language proficiency test IELTS, a copy of passport, a medical examination report certificate, COVID-19 proof of the vaccination. Eligible criteria. The Malaysian Technical Corporation Program, the eligible criteria not more than 45-year-old in time of the application. For master degree program, applicant should obtain a minimum of second class upper honor for a minimum CGPA 3.5 for equivalent. Proof of English language certificates. Your IELTS score must be minimum 6 score. TOEFL intended base with the score of 70 or the equivalent. The list of university are the given below. In which university your department is available, you can choose the 3 university. Here the list of the university. Benefit of this scholarship. This scholarship covers tuition fees. The other allowance of RM 3,500 per month, which include cost of living allowance, book allowance, tools allowance, housing rental allowance, placement allowance, thesis allowance, travel, practical training, end of the study allowance, medical insurance, insurance allowance. All of these covered in this scholarship. One of turn economic class airline ticket from the student closest to international airport to Malaysia and back to the student home country. Now you can read this information. If you have any question related to the scholarship, you may contact with the International Cooperation and Development Division of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, where the emails are available. Now let's start how to apply. When we click here the online application system, I add this link in a description. You just click and see set type of interface. If you are a new user, firstly you need to register here, sign up. When you click here, you see this is the registration of the international scholarship. If you are going to apply for a master, then you click here. If you are going to apply for a PhD, you click here. I'm going to apply for a PhD. Click here. Write the passport number. Write the password. Write the confirm password. Write the email. Date of birth. You can select here. Nationality. And then click here to register. Finally, we are registered here. Login. Right, this is the application form. Here is your passport number. Write your full name. Select the gender. Expiry date of your passport. Religion. Expiry date of your passport. Nationality of the citizenship. Religion. Muslim. Marital status. Number of children, no. Mailing and communication address. Applicant office name, your mailing address. You can write whatever you have. Line 2, line 3. State or the province. Which state or the province you belong to, you can write here. Postal code. Your country. Office telephone. You may write your own number. Telefax, office telefax. You can write something. Applicant postal address. For notification of your result. Country. Phone number. You can write your own phone number. Whatever you have. Your mobile number. Email address. Verify email address and you enter in registration. Emergency contact person name. Whatever you have. Select the relationship. Phone number. Email address. Address. Address line 2. Province or the state. Which province. Postal or a zip code. And the country. Finally select the country. And now next. Click here to next. Now you can add your academic background, name of the institute and the study, your major field of study, year of study and level. You can click here and add. academic and financial award if you have. Others activities if you have any certificates or if you have any certificates or online courses you may include here. In previous you stay in any country, then you can add the information here. This is the declaration. Have you ever been convicted in any court of law of any country? No. Then click next. Now applicant info, level of the study and the course applied for. I am going to apply for agriculture. Then click here, the select agriculture and the horticulture sub branches. Major is name of the university in Malaysia. You can select 3 universities. Commence date is October 2023. Academic session in 2023. Proficiency in the language, your mother tongue, spoken, written. IELTS, if you have IELTS, no I don't have IELTS. TOEFL, no I don't have TOEFL. If you have IELTS, then you click here yes, and you can write here the speaking band, listening, your writing, your reading, and the average overall band you score. The date taken. I don't have IELTS, so I skip this part. Then move to the next. Now the field of study you are going to pursue, you can write an essay, dissertation, or the abstract here, whatever you have. You can attach the file of your essay, choose the file. I add this information as a for your guidance. You upload all the information correctly, then upload. Research project, research title, you can write here your research title, whatever you have. Name of the supervisor, if you have an acceptance letter from Malaysian University supervisor of your department, then you can write the name of your supervisor. Proposed faculty and the university name. Problem statement, hypothesis, expected impact of the research project, you can write here. Summary of your research contribution. Then move to the next. Now you can add the information of your referee, detail of the referee 1, the name, the job title of your referee, the organization, which university or the government, phone number, you can write the phone number, fax number if you have, email address, you can add the detail of referee to the name, whatever the your previous supervisor name, the job title as the head of the department or the dean, organization, phone number, fax number, email address, personal experience. If you have previously done any job, then you can add the information here. Which years you had done your job, title of your post, type of the organization, name of the employer, address of the employer, address line, zip code, you can write the zip code, country, you can select here the country as well, monthly salary expected, you can write here whatever you have, previous job post, title of the post, name of the organization, you can select here, name of the employer, address of the employer, address line, zip code, and you can add the country name. Then move to the next. You upload such type of documents. First of all, you need to download the application form that you fill online, and then signature on it or the notarize from the body. Then you upload. Firstly, you need to notarize the documents, application form, certificate copy of passport as evidence of nationality, certificate copy of academic transcript, your IELTS certificate or English language proficiency certificate, curriculum vitae, admission letter from Malaysian University if you have. Here this thing is mentioned. If you have admission letter from Malaysian University, 2 letter of the recommendation support your application. You can download if you have a sample of your own university, then you may upload. Research proposal. Log into Malaysian International Scholarship online system and attach all the required documents stated above. Click Save button and submit the application. Okay, these are the documents that are necessary: application form, a copy of this passport, a certificate copy of academic transcript, a certificate copy of proof of English language proficiency, curriculum vitae, certificate copy of English IELTS or the TOEFL, curriculum vitae, admission letter of Malaysian University if you have, 2 letter of the recommendation letter, research proposal for master and PhD. You can click here and upload the documents, and then move to the next. Click here to upload a copy of your passport. I add this information for your guidance. You can upload the TOEFL or the IELTS or English language proficiency certificates, whatever you have. You can choose your curriculum vitae. You can choose your admission letter from Malaysian University. Here you can add your supervisor acceptance letter here. A 2 letter of recommendation letter. Upload here. A research proposal. Check clearly that either you upload your all the documents from here. If you want to change your documents, you upload the wrong documents from here, you can cut here and upload again. Now finally we upload all the documents. We click here and move to the next step. Confirm send the application. You may click here OK, and your application sent to the MIS Scholarship department. Best of luck. Please subscribe my channel for such a kind of helpful video. Thank you very much.